Are you exposed to unthinkable miseries? I don't have to tell you that human life is transient. I'd like you to deepen the meaning of transience. How to interpret the importance of time? Of course, you'd like to use your time effectively all the time. Not to do anything shall be performing as a symbol of a thorough waste of time. Every day, I like to be in the presence of daily worries and vexations. What is the meaning of that? Usually, people worry about this matter. You wish to be far away from daily worries and vexations. Then, positively speaking, what I am talking about, I like to be in front of them courageously, because those are really necessary pieces of the matters for you to develop yourself. Do not escape from reality you're facing. I'd like you to deeply worry about so many things. In a sense, it is beautiful for you to worry about many things. Through worrying about those things and thinking about those things, you shall be shining a lot, especially in the core of your existence. You are shining. I'd like you to sit out to do anything you need. To sit out to do anything shall be a way for you to be shining. To have some sort of explosion in the core of your existence engenders breakthrough yourself. The lecture shall be finished now.